If Skin wrote a diary. Dear Diary, today was eventful. This morning, I survived a hot shower. Then I spent an hour in the sun. By lunchtime, pollution had already stopped by. Someone kept touching their face, forgot sunscreen, and somehow expected me to stay calm. So, I did what I always do. Held onto water, blocked unwanted visitors, started repairs where I could, and kept everything running. No one noticed, which usually means I did my job well. Anyway, it's bedtime. I've got repairs to finish before morning. See you tomorrow. Your skin has a story. Take care of it. If you have persistent skin concerns, consult a qualified dermatologist.